What is up, Light Fam? Welcome to another video. My name is David. As I mentioned in my last video, I do get asked quite a bit on how to start your spiritual journey. And in that last video, I mentioned one of the best ways to start your spiritual journey is to develop self-awareness. So I will link the video for self-awareness in the description box below of this video, as well as at the end of this video. But when I sat down to think about it, there are many different ways to start your spiritual journey, and a lot of those ways just started being downloaded into my head, and I was like, oh, we need to make a video about this. So let's get into the many ways of how to start your spiritual journey right now. Let's go. Before we get into the video, please smash that notification bell, smash the subscribe button. Also, if you are interested in working with me one-on-one to help you traverse that spiritual journey and bring your greatest version into your current timeline, check the description box below. We got a couple of different coaching options for you. Now let's get into the video. So how to start your spiritual journey? Well, one of the first things that you want to do is think critically, question everything. There are so many walking automatons still asleep in the matrix that believe everything the news, Hollywood, and social media tells them. But when you do your own research, you're able to live and experience what is right for you, which allows you to discover your own truth and live your own truth. This gives you an incredible amount of sovereignty and freedom, and it starts to help you unlearn a lot of those limiting, disempowering, man-made, ego-based paradigms that you may have been raised with, and you start to research and live your own truth that is palpable for you. Many people refer to this waking up and questioning everything stage as 4D consciousness. So you had a spiritual awakening, you're questioning everything, you're doing your own research, you're getting lost down rabbit holes to find your own personal truth. This is usually referred to as 4D consciousness. And 4D consciousness is also waking up from the 3D matrix, being aware of the 3D matrix, being able to step back as an observer of the 3D matrix without obliviously being a part of the 3D matrix. Many people that haven't had a spiritual awakening yet aren't even aware that they're even a part of the 3D matrix. How to start your spiritual journey? Well, you need to have a daily meditative routine and practice mindfulness. Yes, you knew I was going to mention meditation when we're discussing how to start your spiritual journey. And I get the fact that it can be a bit intimidating and sometimes confusing at first. I do have a couple of videos on how to meditate, which I will link in the description below. But meditation centers your mind in the present now moment. Anxiety comes from fearing the future. Regret comes from having your mind in the past. But meditation centers that monkey mind into the present moment, which allows it to be attentive enough to receive insight and answers that you need for your life from higher consciousness. One of the most common questions that I get asked about meditation is, what's the point? What's the aim of meditation? Well, aside from what I just mentioned, as far as de-stressing your mind and bringing you back to the present moment, the point, in my opinion, of meditation is to come back into alignment with your true, eternal, all-powerful divine self. That's why we're here. We're here to experience and overcome the physical contrast of what we are not by remembering and implementing what we truly are. So meditation allows you to make that deep connection to true self and allows you to live your life from that powerful perspective. In regards to practicing mindfulness, this is one of the most powerful habits that you can develop when starting your spiritual journey. There are billions of people mindlessly rushing through life in their rat race with their mind in 12 different places except for where they are right now. And they're missing out on the true joy and beauty of life and of just living. Being mindful means appreciating gratitude. We talk a lot about gratitude on this channel. Appreciating every little detail of the present moment with childlike wonder. Mindfulness for the present moment is where all peace can be found. So start to admire the simplest wonders of life, like watching a bird effortlessly soar through the air, or watching the breeze gently caress the leaves on a tree. Just smelling fresh air and let that energy of nature fill your body can make you feel blissfully present. Now, take that one step further and see how your physical world responds to you. When you acknowledge that gentle breeze, does it all of a sudden blow harder or blow in your direction? When you acknowledge that bird soaring through the air, does it all of a sudden turn direction and fly overhead? You are the universe becoming aware of itself, observing itself as the universe. See and feel how everything is connected. Make that deep connection. Feel that deep connection. Understand how that's how everything works. And now you begin to confidently mold and shape the reality that you wish to experience, like the great creator that you actually are. How to start your spiritual journey? Well, you need to start practicing and getting familiar with the law of attraction. Yes. How can you start your spiritual journey without being familiar with the law of attraction? Now, yes, I am fully aware that there are more powerful and more efficient ways of manifesting, all of which I've made videos about on this channel. But if you're just starting your spiritual journey, there's no better way to start uprooting, unlearning, and reprogramming those old, archaic, disempowering, codependent belief systems than to get firsthand experience and evidence that you are actually creating your own world through your thoughts and your beliefs. So I put together a very simple little law of attraction exercise for all of you guys. What I'm going to do is show a picture of some random lucky items. Now, whichever lucky item calls to you, reaches out to you, pick that particular item. I'll go ahead and show the image now so that you can pause the video and take a screenshot. Now that you have chosen your one item, what I want you to do is sit in meditation with your eyes closed. And I want you to see that lucky item showing up in all kinds of creative ways in your life. Maybe it's on a bumper sticker. Maybe it's in a commercial that just came on. It's in a show, or it's in a video that you were watching. Maybe it's on someone's t-shirt. Get creative with how it shows up, but make sure that you're seeing it show up. And then I want you to feel the overwhelming feelings of joy and gratitude that it has shown up. And the goal is to see how many times you can get this lucky symbol to show up in your life over the next week. Give this about a week. I want you guys to leave your comments below on how many times your lucky symbol showed up in your life. But the purpose of this little exercise is to get you into the methodology of purposely attracting what you wish to experience in your life, and giving you firsthand experience that you are actually creating the world that you are experiencing purposely through your thoughts and your beliefs. Again, the point of this is to get you to start letting go of those old, archaic, disempowering belief systems that never made sense in the first place and keep you living small and codependent. So those are a few of the best ways to start your spiritual journey. And remember, the spiritual journey is just that. It's a journey. It's an evolution. It's a process. So enjoy the journey by being mindfully aware of each stage of the spiritual journey, because each stage of the spiritual journey has a deep soul lesson to teach you. All right, guys, now it's time for question of the day. How will you start your spiritual journey? Leave those comments below, Light Fam. Also, if you know anyone that has just had a spiritual awakening and they want to know how to start their spiritual journey, please share this video with them. It may give them the insight that they need to get on the right spiritual path and bring the life that they wish to live to fruition. I don't know, I just make this up as I go, guys. You know what I'm trying to say. Remember, if you have a question for me, add me over on Instagram, _Lightways. Not only do I answer what I can, it's getting kind of out of hand now, but I try to answer all the questions, but I will also probably make a video out of your question as well. Also, check the description below if you want to work with me one-on-one through some Zoom sessions. We've got a couple of different coaching options for you. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will see all of you in the next video. Light, love, and abundance to all that are watching and to all you love. Peace, guys.